Whatever. But anyway, what's up?
Shit.
The only female so far I care about is Nala. And I care about Bianca too, you know. Even though Bianca not a good best friend, you know. She should be saying I'm her best friend, and she don't act like a best friend, you know. She said I'm her best friend and she love me, you know.
Yeah.
It's a possibility she gonna run across this video.
I just about to ask you think you want to hear that video?
Or she will watch. This video is also going on YouTube.
Damn, boy, you don't care, boy. You savage, boy.
No, I'm not a savage. But on the serious side, bro, if I ever talk about Nala and I don't know I'm recording or I don't know if I'm recording, I'm always say stuff about her. If I say I really love her, I do love her, you know. Because I'm not like these damn men that's gonna trick a woman, you know.
Right.
Like some guy 5 years ago talking about no haters on us, bro. Oh, I ain't going nowhere. I love you and stuff like that. And I knew goddamn well he was playing around.
Ready, man.
Ready for what?
Ready for WrestleMania weekend.
WrestleMania, bro.
What you doing, bro?
Nothing. Showing the viewers the screen, you know. Yeah.
You don't got good views. Well, now you got one view.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't pay attention to the viewers whether they watch me or don't watch me. But on the serious side, I don't know how I uploaded to the YouTube though, but I did. And I don't know I'm recording. I don't know if I'm recording. Hey, cut that off, bro. He was playing around. Well, all right. He was watching my Facebook Live on here on his phone, you know. So what the hell? You was watching that? You was watching this? Oh, wait a minute, bro. I was trying to add you on camera. Invite. No answer from live.
Oh, because I'm not on it no more.
Oh, well, whatever, bro. Bro, what a jackass, bro. What? Oh, and he right by me, you know. Yeah, y'all. So somebody else probably watching. Huh? I don't know, man. Well, never mind, man.
Right. Oh shit, enough time.
We're watching this, y'all.
I'm incredibly confused right now. I thought I overdid it.
You sound like you Russian.
I was too fast.
Or French.
Oh, well, we don't know yet.
Oh.
So that's enough.